everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. Kicking off out for the day, what I wore, where you get puppies, you get a lot of PA weather, life, and of course outfits in there. It is a very windy, cold Sunday morning. We can see now the sun is trying to come out, but it's been in and out so far this morning. Only 44 degrees. The puppers are all wound up, so everybody's here except for Harvey. And I'm feeling like I need a quiet day, so I think that's what we're going to do today. I don't think I'm going to do any videos today. I think I'm going to try to take a break for a little bit here, because the next coming weeks will be very busy. And so for my outfit, I chose a uber casual one. I have on, okay guys, shh. Can I talk? Hey, you're biting me now. Can I talk? I have on a pair of interval joggers from one of my latest active edits, Wantable. I have on a Z Supply sweatshirt that I got in a Trendsend. And I like whenever you go casual, you just add a little bit extra so that if you want to elevate your look, you can. Like I could add a cool jacket on top of here. I don't know that I'm going anywhere today, so I hadn't planned that. But I did put a long sleeve tee on underneath here. This is just by Loft. A lot of times I like to have it peek out at the top too, but it didn't work out today. And then I have on my tennis shoes you guys have seen before. I love these so much. They're so fabulous. By Dolce Vita. That's my outfit. I really didn't put any jewelry on today. However, I do have on my Ebie bralette, which I keep forgetting. I don't always mention all the time I wear my Ebies, but I thought I would just remind you about the Ebies. Like, you guys really need to check all these out. They're so fabulous. All this nice, just all the comfies going on. So I wear these like all the time. All the time. They're fabulous. And they're probably on sale right now, so you need to go check them out. Plus I have a discount code for you. So I know I talk about them, I've shown them to you guys before. I think they're the most amazing seamless undies that you will put on your body. So this is what they look like. This is one of their bralettes. So uber comfy. They have the built-in pads. You can take them out to wash them if you need to. Super comfy, stretchy, I would say medium coverage. Lots of different colors. I tend to stock up on, hey, shh. I tend to stock up on all the colors in this style, but they also have the one with the built-in no wire technology. I love these. They have all the added support here. Can you see all that? Can you see that going through there? Check that out. Hopefully you guys are seeing that. This adds all that extra support and the extra little underwire support without any underwires. There's no wires in here. They are so comfy, cozy. I love them. This one has the adjustable straps and the regular bra closure. This will give you all the lift and support you need, probably maybe a little bit more than this kind, but I love them. I think this is called the Relief Bra. So go check them out. Highly recommend. Yeah, Ebies are the best. They also have seamless undies. They're gonna be the only thing you're gonna want to put on your body. All right, we've got to get back to work, I guess, or at least, yeah, I said I wasn't gonna work today, right? So we're gonna get back to relaxation. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday, time for outfit of the day. It is 33 degrees outside. That's it for the high. And it's a cloudy day, just cloudy. The sun's having a really hard time trying to come out. My shopping haul, let's call it a fun shopping haul, posted today. I had Loft and Sanctuary and White House Black Market, like so many fun pieces in there. Check them out, be fun holiday outfits or just getting ready for the holiday outfits while you're doing your shopping or having your brunches and lunches and dinners. Would be great outfits. And for today, I have on Mother Denim from the Nordstrom anniversary sale. I have on this beautiful cashmere tee that I got from Front Door Fashion. It was a little splurge purchase. Liverpool blazer from Wantable. My shoes are Dolce Vita. You've seen them a million times, but I still love them. From Stitch Fix. And I got them for such an amazing price. Like, they're one of my favorite shoes for the winter. And I have on a necklace that I just got from Gorjana, which I'm in love with the little pendant. So pretty. It has a little diamond. There we go. Can I get that to show you? There we go. And my bracelet stack, and I'm done. I think that's it. All right. Hope your Monday is going well. I'll catch you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. We got snow today, so about 2 to 3 inches. It's 38 degrees outside right now. Yeah, everything is covered in snow. I'll put a couple quick little videos here. Loki's first time seeing snow, he was really surprised, and his fur just collects the snow. It sticks to him like he's the abominable snowman. It just all sticks to him. It's so funny. And let's see, for my, I did post a quick short today because I have been updating my store quite frequently. So there's new products on there. In fact, last night I actually added a little dog sweatshirt. So cute. It says, "I rule this house." So check out my store, please. Let me know what you think and if you'd like to see, or what you would like to see in the store that's not there, and I'll see if I can do it. I have the faces of the 3 puppies with cute little sayings, just typical little dog sayings like "dog hair, don't care," if my dog can't go, I'm not going, like things like that. So hopefully you enjoy it. For my outfit today, I'm in all black. I have on black cut from the cloth denim, which is all wet right now because Loki came in from the snow and then laid on top of me to dry off. I got these from a Stitch Fix. I like them, super comfortable. I have on a sweater from Evereve that I got in a Trendsend, probably at the end of summer last year, I think it was, or maybe spring this year. It's probably spring. Love this one. My belt is from Front Door Fashion. My shoes, how about these little boots? So cute. They are Dolce Vitas. And my necklace, I have on Roxbox and Goriana. I have on a bracelet stack, ready for my day. All right, I gotta get back to work. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day, 32 degrees. Loki and Dexter are here. Okay. Oh, what fun. My Front Door Fashion posted today, and I kept the beige, I think is how you say it, so the denim with the tie belt. I thought those were so cute, the dark denim. And I kept the coated denim by Dear John, and I kept the belt, I believe. It was just those 3 things. I didn't keep anything else, but I thought those bottoms were really cute. And let's see, for my outfit today, I have on Daze denim from a Wantable. I have on an All in Favor sweater from Nordstrom, paired with Mark Fisher booties. And a belt from Front Door Fashion. My jewelry is Luisa and Goriana. Dogs. And I have my bracelet stack on, and that's my day. They were in their crates for a bit while I was doing a few meetings, so they're all wound up now. All right, I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. It is the very end of the day, the end of my work day, I should say. So it's after 5, and I'm headed to a Nordstrom event. So they're having like I think it's called Bubbles and Bites tonight. So they have like shopping for Nordstrom card holders and I think some snacks, and it should be fun. So I'm trying to get myself organized to go to that. And for my outfit today, I selected Pistola denim that I got in a Trendsend. I have on a Free People top over top of, this lace top is so fun. Got it in a JB Stylebox over top of my Ebie tank, which I love, my Ebies. You know that, we talked about it already. I have a belt from Front Door Fashion. My shoes are my Louboutins, which we talked about before. I got at a very special discount for my birthday last year I think. For my coat, Sanctuary, also from Trendsend. And then how cute are these? It's cold out, so it is 27 degrees out right now. How cute are these little gloves I got? So they remind me of the brown ones. These are black, brown that I got from Trendsend. They had a cover too. These don't have that, but are those not cute? Yes, I love them.
Got them at Nordstrom. That's my outfit. For jewelry, I have on a Rocksbox necklace, a Luisa necklace with a charm from Gorjana. And that's it. I forgot to put any other jewelry on, so I still have to do that. All right, I'm off. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Friday. Somehow we made it. For me, it was a gray day, 33. Just no sun whatsoever. And for my Friday funny today, I have the puppers who have decided that they're wondering where the pool went. So they are exploring the cover on a regular basis, which we prefer they not get on it. It should hold them. But I'd prefer if they didn't get on it. But they are so fascinated by this pool cover, and they know when they walk on it, because it's a trampoline type material. I think it's called an elephant cover or something like that. So it's supposed to have flexibility to it. So when they walk on it, water comes through it, and then they're drinking the pool water. So, plus when the snow was on top, that was very interesting, and they were picking all the ice off of it. So enjoy that. This is a new thing for them. They're very excited. I didn't really have Jasmine and Wyatt walk on it. Jasmine was before Xena. Xena and Wyatt didn't walk on that pool very much. So the pool cover. So they're all over it all the time. For my outfit today, I have on AG denim paired with a firm top that I got in a Armoire, my latest Armoire. I did put a tank on underneath. This one is from White House Black Market. Then for shoes, how about these fun little Kork-Ease slip-ons? Can you tell? It's the end of my day. I'm exhausted. I can't even talk. It's crazy. For a jacket, I grabbed this one. It's by Steve Madden. I got it in a JB Stylebox. And then I have on my necklace from Luisa with my Gorjana charm. And this necklace is and the charm is from Gorjana. And that's my outfit today. All right, I will see you tomorrow for one final outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday, time for final outfit of the day. The sun is out today. It is 9 o'clock in the morning, 30 degrees, getting up to 36, so it's going to be chilly. My FabFitFun posted today. I love my FabFitFuns. Like, I love that you can customize. I think you get really great items for the value of the box, so I love it. And for my outfit today, I have on rag and bone denim I got during the Nordstrom anniversary sale. I have on a chaser long top that I got in a Trendsend quite some time ago. This one's fun. It's thermal with the little buttons here at the sleeves, so super cute. For shoes, my Dolce Vitas with the gold toe. Love those. And for my coat, this NVLT one that just came in my latest Armoire. Such a nice pink pop. I have on Rocksbox and Gorjana necklaces, my bracelet stack, and we're off to the races. And that's a wrap on outfit of the day. So I'll list all my outfits down below in case you would like to check any of them out. If I can link directly to mine, I will. Many come from boxes, so of course I'll have all the box information down below. And then I'm going to pop in here at the end some of the highlights from going to the Nordstrom event I told you about Thursday night, which was super fun. It was holiday themed. It was for those that were, I think, Icon and Ambassador card hold member or something like that. They had fun drinks and little hors d'oeuvres and hot chocolate and coffee. You got to shop, and they did some great illustrator. They had an illustrator there who was a fashion illustrator, so kind of took your picture and then turned that into a fashion illustration, which is super fun. I'll share that. My friend went with me. We had a really great time. All right, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe, swipe to hype, share your favorite outfit with me, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.